Hello there. So today I'm going to show you how to use OpenAI Byte 7 plugin. So as always, you need to install this from the store. Then here you can see there are a bunch of APIs listed in the OpenAI plugin. So I'm going to go through each and every APIs and how to use them. So first we'll start with this first API called Create Completion. So you can go to the workflow, and first of all you need to go to design. So you can create a simple design for testing this API. So you just need a drop down to select each one of the APIs, and you can give the inputs with respect to those APIs. So for the first API you just need one input called a prompt, where it needs an input, a single input as a request, and it will give a response. So we'll go to that method now. So this is the text completion workflow here. So I'm checking if the drop down value is text completion. Then this is the method called create completion OpenAI. So it needs authorization, then the model, which model you will be using. So I've given so if you read the documentation, you will be able to see you need to use this model for this API. Then the prompt, so we need a dynamic value for this prompt. Then temperature, you can set it to 0.2 or 3 based on your response. Then max tokens, you can set it based like how much length do you need for a response. I've written as 8. You can set it as per you want, and how many responses you want. This is the number of completions that you want. I have written only one. So in this it depends, the prompt depends on how many responses you need. Like if you send a single response, a single input, you will get a single response. Or if you write if you put array of responses, a list of response, it should be inside an array. So if you are adding a single value, you can use this. So I'll show you in the design. So here is the design. So first text completion, if you are going to use a single response, so need a single response, then you can write. So this API helps us to complete a sentence. So if I write how are you, if I trigger this API, it will give me the answer. Oh yeah, also sorry about that. So also you need to surround them with double quotes. I'll tell you why. So it gave me this response. So now if you want to send multiple requests, multiple inputs, you can cover them with arrays, and you can give multiple requests or inputs. Then if you trigger this API, it will give you 2 answers. So this is how you can use this API.